Well, good evening to you and welcome on this most perfect evening for a game of football. Conditions are absolutely splendid and the folk of this town have come out in their droves for this match. Why wouldn't they? It is an ideal circumstance for what could be an ideal game. Everybody has been attracted to it. It has been the talk of the town, and the buses have been packed, double-decker buses lining up outside. Coaches have carried thousands of away supporters here too, and all of it adds up to make a terrific, a crackling atmosphere. The match, I think, will be quite a spectacle. And we have in front of us this gloriously imposing arena, absolutely picture perfect for a game of this nature. Just feel the place. Quite some performance, and now here comes the response. Two high-profile, high-caliber teams. This is a welcome event for all these supporters.
Well, get ready for some high-grade football, Peter. Two strong teams, as you say, full of wonderful individual talent. And we have every right to anticipate some really entertaining football. As to whether we'll see a high-scoring contest, that's a little harder to predict. I'm not complaining, though, because there are good players everywhere you look around this surface, and that's a fine start in itself.
So it's away we go then. Goodison. Low. Cole. There's a long ball. And he's there to clear it. Played it short. Defending of the desperate variety. Ortiz. Colombia looking to counter. Well positioned to make that interception. Whittingham. The ball needed to be better there. It's a wasted chance. And here's the chance to counter. He's had a shot! There it is!
It's hardly a surprise, is it? That's what we're here for, a player with this wonderful knack of being able to show up and deliver at important times. Yet another example. Yeah, looking back at that, that's how you play on the counter. Quick and decisive and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning breakaway.
Well, that has certainly made things interesting. Goodison. Gardner. Voller. And it's got through. And that's been levered clear. Tries lifting it over. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. Floats one over. Tries to get it clear. Hoists it forward. Valderrama. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Big chance! And he should have done better, and he knows it.
Good effort, very good effort.
They're guilty of lacking inventiveness here. It's all broken down, and it's got through. Gets the better of his man. That has sent him sprawling. Oh, right on the edge of the penalty area. What's he giving here? So a big chance now from 12 yards.
Well, it was deliberate, it was cynical, and you have to understand the frustration of being denied a clear opportunity, but it had to be done.
A time for a cool head, and that is precisely what he showed.
You could feel the tension as he stepped up to take that, but it didn't bother him, and he tucked it away perfectly.
And that has added a whole new complexion to the game.
Look, Peter, I was on the fence before a ball was kicked, and I still haven't moved.
Forward it goes. Gets away from his opponents. He's there to get rid. Fuller. Well, they could break here. Tries to dink it in. Puts it away. Hits one! Herrera. It'll be a throw. Goodison. Across the field it goes. Well, that's where he wants it. He's got options out wide. That's been lead. Tries a shot! And in it goes! They've done it! It was coming! They have their reward! Oh, a goal of real quality. He made it look ridiculously easy.
Oh, you've got to love that. Concentration, conviction, contact, and sheer class.
After 36 minutes is number 19.
So we have a breakthrough. Now how will things develop from here?
Well, that's the currency he deals in, and he's come good yet again. Never the one to let you down in these situations.
And it's played forward. Keeper sends it forward. Ortiz. Whipped in. Cleared away. Cole tries to get it forward quickly.
Well, it seems as if he's just had a momentary lapse and slipped into tunnel vision, because he had good options around him and he failed to get his head up.
Gets wrestled off the ball. goalkeeper's ball. There's the end of the first half. Oh, what a comeback. Certainly I didn't see that coming. Oh, I think did many in this crowd. And we are up to the break.
Well, give me a moment to get my breath back. What a super half of football. Instant pack, goals, comebacks, and the match being turned on its head. Which way it's going to go from here, it's anyone's guess.
Very little in it. The score at half-time is 2-1.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is to let you know that you'll be able to catch today's match in the broadcast live on our club's FM station.
That gets things going for the second half. Plays it out to the flank. Herrera. And he's onside. Oh, shooting chance! Really well taken goal. Colombia are level. Oh, beautifully dispatched. There was no reaching that.
Now that's what I call finishing, right in the corner. He knew instinctively who was where and didn't need to waste any time weighing things up. That's a cracking goal.
Number 22.
Quite a thriller this one's become.
Yeah, it's a very good contest with two very good sides, and with such great individual talent on show, it could go either way.
Tries to get it clear. He's gone for it! And it's hoisted clear. Danger averted for now. Goes for the cross. Great lead! Good delivery. No joy.
Well, plenty of moving targets to pick out in the box. Obviously increases your chances of the ball being met like that by someone.
Hoists it forward. Pumps it into the air. Towering header! Oh, just needed a better contact.
Colombia can defend those situations better by stopping the crosser at source.
Brown.
Well, goals change games, and now that parity has been restored early in this half too, this game could take off in a direction they weren't expecting. The next phase of play requires a stronger rearguard action from them.
Whittingham. Goes for goal! No mistake! Into the lead once more!
Jamaica are certainly a team that knows how to play their football as stylishly as you'll see. Tiki-taka at its very best, and they back it up with goals.
After 63 minutes is number 10.
Well, this is what we've been waiting for. Tries to get it forward quickly. Gets the better of his man. And he just whacks it away.
Well, this is exactly the approach they have to take now, Peter.
Well, this isn't the time to talk about risks now, Jim, is it? They just have to hurl everything at it and hope for a break.
Just has to be done.
Going for goal! He has done it! And there's the goal they've been looking for. Finishing doesn't come simpler than that. Bang in front of goal.
That's just a great finish, but it's down to very clever movement. You can see this has been obviously worked on the training ground. He knew exactly where he wanted the ball, and it all came good.
His second of the game, and an eye now for the hat-trick. That has changed the dynamic somewhat.
Well, unsurprisingly, Peter, the opposition look completely stunned. I'm not sure they can gather themselves.
Out to the right, played back in. It's got through, and Fuller! Oh, fine stop from the keeper.
Well, as tests go, Peter, the keeper has just received an A+ grade.
Up to meet it! Oh, nearly is nothing.
A more than decent attempt, Peter.
Some activity down on the touchline. There's going to be a change. Whittingham. Forward it goes. And now the breakaway. And help's available out wide. Gets up to head it! Should have put that one away.
He'll be fuming with himself for not converting. He could have killed it off.
Ortiz. It's Valderrama. Just brushed off the ball there. Over to the left. There's going to be another change here.
Yeah, he's run himself into the ground, hasn't he? And it's good to see that the crowd appreciate his efforts, because he has put in a real honest shift.
Substitution on the field. Number 2. Coming on the field is number 27.
Boyd. No. Here it comes. And he's there to clear it. Low. Has a hit! Surely that settles it.
The goal scorer after 82 minutes is number 17.
The changes then in quick succession.
Yeah, it's pretty obvious as to who was going to be taken off. His energy levels began to sag, and he was never going to last until the final whistle.
Substitution on the field.
So now the difference is 3.
Coming to replace him is
Cordoba.
number 14.
Now it's Valderrama. Hit long and direct. Cuts it out. He is not one readily to admit defeat. Don't be surprised if he tries that again. And they've been caught out here. Good take by the keeper, he's read that well. Whittingham. De La Peña. He's left his man. Loses his balance and loses the ball. Gets it upfield. He's made sure that that won't get through. Brown. Gunnarsson. Masson. And that will be the final act. What a match, what a comeback. That is how to respond to adversity. Truly deserving winners. What do you take away from it all, Jim?
Jamaica had a very simple tactic to implement, Peter, and they exposed their opposition with expansive incision. This is a performance that hasn't just got my approval. Listen.